Welcome. Today I am with Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2 and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first, let me just open the camera, and as you can see, when we are here at the first, we can quickly change brightness level on the photos. So when you click on the screen like that, you can decrease or increase brightness level by using this slider. That's very simple. The same you can make by using the video mode, as you can see. So that's the same. And when you're in the photo modes, we can also add timers for our shutter, so we can go for the 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for example for the 2 seconds, and then let's click on this shutter. As you can see, after 2 seconds the photo was taken. So that's very useful option. Here we got the filters that quickly change colors and the temperature on the photos, as you can see. So you don't have to install any external application, you can go with this simple option. Okay, and right now we have to go for the settings, where we can find, for example, the grid lines. We can turn on 3x4 or square, and they will help us to take better composition on our photos, as you can see. So that's cool. If you want to put something in the middle in your photo, like this, for example, like this logo, you can make it definitely easier. When we go for the settings, we can also find another option. We got here the shotting methods. So we can use our volume key to take picture, so to use this as a shutter, but also we can use the zoom feature. Take a look. You press volume up button and you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out, just like that. Another option that we can find here is the shuttering methods, where we can add floating shutter button. As you can see, it's right here. It works the same like this one. If you cannot reach this one, you can put it wherever you want, for example here, and then take photos. And another option that we can find here in the shooting methods is to take selfie with palm. So when I'm going to switch to the front camera, like that, and right now when I'm going to show palm of my hand, the photo will be taken after a few seconds. So that's all tricks that you can find on this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.